First of all, Shivam this side, friends, and I'm a student of final year BBA. While pursuing my BBA, I'm trying to look for new opportunity. Where one of my friends suggested me the course of digital marketing. I never heard about these things, but when she suggested me for this course, I'm looking for the course. Then I searched Google. I found the PIDM Institute, where it is located in Boarding Road, Patna. So I come here and enroll in this course, and I found that course really helped me to grow in near future while doing when the things going all the things coming on digitally. So I found that that this course is so hot topic in the new business world. While enrolling after enrolling in this course, first thing I found that how to create the website. After that, along with that this course, I found that my main niche is to give information about digital marketing to the young ones and to the business professionals as well, who are trying to develop their business in different platforms. And definitely the students who are the young generation, the Gen Z, who likely to develop their skills in this course. So I definitely, after completing this course, I give them all